Are you struggling to get your phone number approved on Google My Business? Is your phone number stuck in review or getting rejected? You are not alone. Today I am going to show you the exact step-by-step process to verify your phone number in Google Business Profile. Plus, I will share a bonus tip at the end that most business owners completely ignore. So let's dive in. Let's understand why Google is so strict about phone number verification. Google wants to ensure that only legitimate business can manage the listings, which is why they have implemented extra verification steps, especially for businesses in certain regions. When your phone number shows as pending or gets rejected, it's usually because Google's system needs additional proof that you are the rightful owner of the business. Now, let me walk you through the complete verification process. Here is exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Access your Google Business Profile. Sign into business.google.com using the Gmail account associated with your business. If you can't find your profile, simply search for My Business in Google search. Once you are in your dashboard, look for the info section on the left-hand menu. This is where you will manage all your business details including your phone number. Click the pencil icon next to your phone number field. Enter your business details carefully. Make sure it's a phone number you actually receive or calls or text on. Google will offer you several verification options depending on your business. In case you are unknown with any of them, you can pause the screen and read it. But what if your phone number still isn't getting approved? Here are the most common solutions that actually work. Some creators have found success by having multiple people suggest your correct phone number through Google's Suggest and Edit feature. This signals to Google that your number is legitimate and should be approved. Prepare a recent utility bill or official document that shows your business name, address, and phone number exactly as they appear in your Google Business Profile. This consistency is crucial for approval. Here are some insider tips that can significantly improve your chances. Never change your business name, address, or category while waiting for phone verification. This will invalidate your verification code. Use a landline number if possible, as this often get approved faster than mobile numbers. Ensure your phone number appears on your website and other directories consistently. And last, be patient. The approval process can take 3 to 7 days, but sometimes up to 2 weeks. Now for that bonus tip I promise. Here's something most business owners don't know. You should enable messaging on your Google's profile to connect directly with your potential customers. As of July 31st, 2024, Google discontinued the traditional chat feature in Business Profile. However, you can still enable customer communication through text messaging or WhatsApp. And there you have it, the complete guide to verifying your phone number in Google My Business. If this video helped you to solve your phone verification issues, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google My Business tips. And drop a comment below if you have any questions. I will personally help you troubleshoot your specific situation. Don't forget to enable that messaging feature we just discussed. It's a game changer for local businesses.